Hey birdie, what's going on up there? Hey, what's going on? I'm Geo Jerry, and I decided I am gonna go look for a first to find. Just dropped my son off at the university and saw a first find come out, and I'm gonna go see if I can track that one down. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna head to the location. I'm gonna turn you off for a while, and we'll see if we get first to find. Because I'm filming with my phone today, and I'm using my phone to get me to the cache too. Hey birdie. Kind of noisy up there. Anyway, let's get moving. This is kind of cool. Check it out. I don't know if you can see him right up here in the bushes. Got a Rufus-sided towhee. I have decisions. Do I go down this trail here? Or do I go down that trail there? Well, I'm gonna start off by going this way. Hopefully that'll work. Yikes, I found myself in a sticky situation. Shorts, stinging nettles. Yeah, those don't go well together. Let's see if I can get out of this. Get to the cache, sign the cache, get back without getting stung by those guys. Alright you guys, I think I found the geocache. It's gonna be in here somewhere. So let me grab that geocache and we'll see if I'm first. And here it is. Whoa, geocache. It's been found. Now the question is, drum roll please. Need a outlet thing. Couple cute little kitties, but that's not what we're about. We're about the log. Here it is. Is it a first to find? As far as I can tell, it looks like we are first to find. Man, you know what would be crazy though? Here's what would be crazy. If there was any Gryphons in this park, in these woods. And by the way, there's only like there's 3 geocaches. 3 geocaches in these woods. Man, this is like uncapped. Whoa, mosquitoes. Oh, they're okay. I'm gonna sign off now. I'm gonna get this log signed and get the heck out of here because mosquitoes are biting me. And I hear it's a pretty bad mosquito year. With that, I'll say see you guys later. Subscribe, like this video, and I will see you, just maybe, from somewhere else in our vast earth. See ya.